to a strong immune system, vitamin C is at the very forefront, it being the most powerful, potent, antioxidant, antitoxin, anti-infective agent. In fact, vitamin C is a crucial part of the treatment protocol against COVID-19, where it is administered in megadoses. It has been shown and documented over the last 80 years that vitamin C, when properly dosed, can cure any of those childhood infectious diseases. Vitamin C has also been shown to clean out the toxins in our gut, extremely potent toxins that develop as a result of poor digestion and unhealthy lifestyle. So through vitamin C, these toxins can really be wiped out or cleaned out before they even get absorbed across the intestinal wall into the bloodstream. Vitamin C is also involved in all biochemical processes of our body, from the brain down to the skin. It is the very fuel on which every cell of our body runs for us to exist and stay alive. Our immune cells need vitamin C like an engine needs fuel. To better visualize it, or for an analogy, you can imagine your immune cells as like soldiers reconnoitering or running around their perceived enemies. And for the immune cells to do so effectively, they need fuel. And vitamin C is the very, very fuel that the immune cells need. If deprived of vitamin C, the immune cells become useless. Phytochemicals are a group of chemical compounds that are found in color food, especially of plant origin, like fruits and vegetables. They are of 5 different colors: white, black, green, red, yellow. The color depending on the composition. Phytochemicals have both medicinal and nutritional benefits. They are found in high concentrations in raw foods, but diminish in intensities during the processes of handling and processing. Like vitamin C, phytochemicals also possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activities. Atomy carries 2 representative colors, red and yellow color food. Red foods are rich in lycopene, carotenoids, and flavonoids, with very good antioxidant and cardiovascular properties. Since these red color foods are rich in antioxidant and at the same time low in calories, they are really very suitable for patients with hypertension, with cardiac arrhythmias, and those with poor circulation. The yellow color food, they are very rich in beta-carotene, also very rich in vitamin C, but they are high in carbohydrate contents. These carotenoids are converted in our body into vitamin A, and it has been established that yellow color food have antioxidant, anti-cancer, and skin protective properties. So why is vitamin C essential? Any nutrient that our bodies are not capable of manufacturing, we call it essential, just like vitamin C. And we have to rely on what we eat and our health supplements for our daily requirements. Vitamin C is important for the formation of collagen, which provides elasticity to the skin and maintains the health of joints and bones. Collagen is also an important component of our connective tissue, which then plays a vital role in wound healing. Osteoporosis is actually scurvy of the bones. When you say scurvy, it means lack of vitamin C. So why people develop osteoporosis is because they have completely and thoroughly depleted vitamin C, not only throughout their bodies, but especially in their bones. And if they restore their antioxidant status, with properly dosed vitamin C, then they can end up rebuilding their bones. Vitamin C has also been shown to enhance the absorption of iron from plants. But take note that while plants are rich in iron, as much as 80% of it cannot be absorbed by our body because of the substance phytates which are found in these plants. These phytates impair or block the absorption of iron. But if you take vitamin C-rich food with meals, then this vitamin C can counter that effect of phytates. So make sure when you eat your leafy greens, you might want to drizzle it with calamansi or lemon juice so as to be assured of maximizing the absorption of the non-heme iron. Non-heme iron is the iron that comes from plants as against heme iron that comes from animal sources. It has also been shown that vitamin C is important for the synthesis of some neurotransmitters and hormones, like, for example, your serotonin and melatonin. These neurotransmitters play a role in our mood regulation. Serotonin is our happy hormone. It is what keeps us awake during daytime, while melatonin is what keeps us or puts us to sleep at night. And take note also that melatonin, as a very good antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and modulatory supplement, also plays a very vital role in the treatment protocol of COVID-19. Vitamin C also promotes the production of antibodies and natural killer cells, and also promotes the activity of immune cells like the lymphocytes and macrophages. Vitamin C is a very effective antioxidant which traps the free radicals. So let me explain this a little further, the concept of free radicals and antioxidants. Free radicals are unstable, unhealthy molecules with unpaired electron. They may be produced physiologically or pathologically. Physiologically meaning they are produced as normal byproducts of the metabolic processes of our body. So every time you eat, every time you exercise, you produce free radicals. Okay lang yon kung within normal levels. Problem starts when you produce free radicals pathologically. Pathologically means under abnormal circumstances, like for example, unhealthy lifestyle, stressful way of living, drinking alcohol, smoking, etc. Under those circumstances, you produce free radicals in abnormal levels. So as I have said, these are unstable, unhealthy molecules, and they scavenge. They're like scavengers. They're like crazy guys. They will look for that missing electron that will keep them strong and stable. So they start stealing electrons from the healthy molecules around. Once they steal the electron, yung ninakawan ng electron, yung nabiktima na ninakawan ng electron, that cell becomes oxidized and the free radical becomes reduced. The cell that has been oxidized, initially, it is the cell membrane that gets damaged. So if the cell membrane gets damaged, that cell loses the protective effect of that cell membrane. So the free radicals can now start to accumulate within the cell and also start to oxidize the cytoplasm, the nucleus where you have the DNA. And once the DNA gets oxidized, that really poses great risk as it is the start of cancer. It really promotes the risk of cancer formation. So any cell that breaks down as a result of the free radical gets damaged and undergoes accelerated premature aging. So what is now the role of antioxidant? The antioxidant is the one that offers the electron to the free radicals to calm down the free radicals. If you have understood my explanation, The free radicals are like some crazy guys that keep on robbing, stealing, scavenging around for that missing electron to make them healthy and stable. So the antioxidant now offers to the free radicals to calm the free radicals down. Okay, here is the electron. Do not mess up with the healthy molecules. At the same time, the antioxidants also try to repair those cells which have been oxidized before by offering them that missing electron. So that is how the antioxidant helps us trap or fight the free radicals. If there is an imbalance between free radicals and the antioxidants, meaning excessive free radicals that the antioxidants cannot match, then that resulting imbalance results in what we call as oxidative stress. And when there is oxidative stress, there is inflammation. And wherever there is inflammation, that is the start of all the chronic health conditions which we are all aware of: diabetes, hypertension, fatty liver, Alzheimer's, cancer, etc., a whole lot of them. Vitamin C is both preventive and curative. Preventive meaning it will immediately neutralize the toxins. Para siyang si Rambo, pag nakita niya yung kaway, shoot from the hip. That is what we mean by preventive. Kill the virus and the bacteria at first sight. But if, halimbawa, hindi niya napatay agad, and it really inflicts damage, then vitamin C can also help repair that oxidative damage that has been inflicted by the toxins. Bottom line is, nobody with a high level of antioxidants and properly dosed vitamin C gets the viruses. This is a fact across the board, maybe not well appreciated, but this is a fact. So let us all take advantage of this inexpensive, largely documented, highly effective anti-infective agent, vitamin C.